Hey guys, welcome back, and you're looking at my messy desk over here. So there's some pretty radical changes coming soon, but today I want to show you something that I'll be replacing is the lamp. So I've had this lamp for a while now, and it's been a good lamp. It's been working great every time. So this one I got actually at Costco or Sam's Club, I can't remember. So it's a really good lamp. It bends pretty good. I like the way that it can do anything. That's definitely the nice part about it. These buttons, these touch things, have been working pretty well overall there. This never glue here, so it just started glowing randomly. So I'm thinking it's doing kind of something funny, but everything still works like it used to. But, you know, it kind of doesn't match with my whole theme a little bit. I have silver, white, and black things here. So I got this new lamp here by POWERADD, and this one has black, silver, and white accents, I think. Maybe it'll be a better match, so I guess that's the point. That's what we're gonna look at. So as you can see, guys, here it has different color temperatures, which is awesome. Touch sensitive controls, has USB plugs, 10 watts of power, 600 lumens, LED, and I guess this is the different controllers here, the brightness adjustments, and a 2-year warranty. So eye protection desk lamp. So I'm guessing that is the 3000 here. That makes it really warm when you need it at night, and I use this one all the time on 3000 at night. Let's open this one up and see what it looks like. Well presented. Alright, so it does have silver like I thought, so that's good. So we got some kind of little manual here and a little company happy not happy little. So here it looks like we have the power adapter probably. Okay, I like that it's white, that's nice. Alright, here is the lamp. Not sure exactly how to... Alright, here we go. Oh wow, that looks actually pretty nice. It's a lot larger than I thought it was, this base. Oh wow, okay. Alright, well this is a lot larger than I thought. Alright, I don't know, maybe this is not, maybe this is too big. Plastic off of it. So the first thing I see that I don't like already is there's, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of like scuffing on the top here. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but right there. It's not bad though. I'm thinking now that I wiped it off, it's still there kind of. I guess it needs a little clean. It's like factory residue or something. It's weird. Okay, here are the lights, and it's black here on this side, which I thought was pretty cool too, because it kind of, you know, goes with like the monitor theme and all that jazz. So it's just so huge. Look how big it is. Alright, well this thing is much larger than I thought. So here we have the POWERADD branding, the power button, I guess this is to switch the modes, and then the brightness here. Let's see, where are the, here we go, here's the USB, so I guess it's only got one USB output, so it's only a 1 amp also, so it's not a fast charge. And that's where you plug in the power. And on the bottom here we have a huge foot, which is really grippy, so this thing's not going to move. And here we have some specifics here. It's definitely very thin on a side profile. As you can see, guys, it's like razor thin. Alright, so let's set this thing beside our old lamp here and see what the difference is. The old lamp actually had 2 USBs, even though I didn't really use them anyways. Okay, this one doesn't go all the way up. This is the highest as it goes, like that. So, you know, they're equally tall, I guess. This one's a little bit taller, so it's definitely, it feels a lot taller though. So, but I am noticing that there's some flimsiness to it, like right here there's a lot of play, like right there. So that's kind of not good, but I'm thinking because it's, yeah, once, no, it still has play. It has played throughout the whole thing, and that's all it moves. And then it goes down a lot. Alright, so the other thing is that this thing can spin in a circle, but it doesn't spin all the way around. That's all it spins, is like that. Which is, I guess it's plenty to get what you need. It feels a little cheap, to be honest. Like, it doesn't feel as nice. It looks good, but when you touch it, this part, it kind of feels cheap. I guess you could just set it up one time. Most likely you won't really need to move it after that. Let's see how much backwards it goes. Okay, that's all it goes backwards. I think I will go to the back as much as I can, like that, and then down like this. I kind of like that look, sort of. Anyways, that's what it looks like, guys. Alright, so I got the power supply connected. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. Okay, I don't see any kind of glowing or anything. Let's hit this power button here. Alright, it's turned on. So it appears to be the 5K that's on right now, yep. So we're probably, no, that was not the lowest setting. Okay, it gets a lot brighter. Wow. Okay, that's a huge difference. I like the light, it's very white. Actually looks very nice. Okay, now let's push the mode. So here's we got the yellow light, and here we have the full brightness light, and here we have the bluer light, the cooler light. So cooler, warmer, or warm, and then the full light output, which looks really good. As you can see, the tones are, you know, there's good skin tones. This is the blue, cool, and this is the yellow. And this is normal light. So yeah, it kind of looks more modern, I guess is the point. And that's what I was looking for, something a little bit more, you know, modernize the desk even more. One thing I wish is this aluminum would look a little better. It feels a little like grainy. That part I'm not crazy about, to be honest. But other than that, it looks really good. Alright guys, so I guess that'll be it for this video. If you do want to pick up a lamp like this, I'll leave a link in the description. You know, it's a pretty good budget lamp overall. You're not going to really find too much things that are, you know, this modern looking for the price. So that might be a good option for you if you're interested. This lamp here is probably not available anymore, so I'm not sure if you'd even be able to pick this up. But this one was like 40 bucks or more. This one's quite a bit less, I think. So, alright guys, so there's a lot more stuff coming up for the desk here. I got something pretty special coming for the setup here, and it's, you know, has to do with the desk. So stay tuned for that video. And if you want to check out the review of this lamp here, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos, I do reviews on this channel, and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.